Hey guys, this is Mr. Goliath with some quick reminders on Audacity basics. Remember, when we're going to record, we're going to use the red button. When we're done, we press the stop button, which is right here. We can play it back using the green arrow here. So I'm going to do just a real quick sentence. If I hit record, when our anger strikes, our brain goes into fight or flight mode. Alright, so then I would go ahead and edit this clip. Probably going to take out the dead spots like so. Get a tiny dead spot at the end. You're going to spend much more time than I am right now. Then I'm going to hit File and Export, and we're exporting these as WAV files. Now remember, for these, it's important that we save these in the right place. So we have in our own folders, we should have a Genius Hour, and then we just created audio and video. All of these will go in audio. Our naming is super important. You want to make these as easy to find later. So mine is just going to be, I'm going to call it bio for my driving question on biological, and I'm going to use the number 1. Now if I wanted, I can make one giant recording and get the whole thing, but that may be harder. Maybe I want to break it up into 2. Some of you might just want to break this up into a whole bunch of pieces. It's up to you, but just number them for each one. Now I just hit save, click OK, and I've now exported that one. I'm ready to go on to the new one. And that's how we just collect our pieces. After you do your intro, all your research, then you can do your outro, you do your driving questions, use your checklist, and then you're good to go with all your audio. Good luck.